Always good advice. Dana's tracking our forecast. A few little bursts of winter weather between now and Christmas Day.
Yeah, I feel like that bodes well if you're a fan of the white Christmas.
Right, that's good news.
And the good news is that we're tracking a little bit of snow for kind of Christmas Eve, so we might have a little travel impacts there. But Christmas Day itself right now looks pretty good.
That's very good news. Okay.
And we also have some snow that's happening right now. So at this point, you might see some snow hitting the ground. We do have a fairly drier, lower atmosphere, so we might see kind of some of this is hitting the ground, some of it is getting absorbed before it reaches. But kind of within the next few hours, the snow will pick up a little bit, especially along the immediate coastline. And then overall, we have a few more hours of snow. This is our kind of whole system here. The center is actually pretty far south of us off the coast of Washington, D.C., but we're looking at kind of the most outer bands of snow here, and that's what will be impacting our forecast as we go overnight tonight into early tomorrow morning. The National Weather Service has issued a winter storm warning in the pink shades here and a winter weather advisory in the purple colors for Washington and Hancock counties because down East Maine does have the chance to get the most snow in the state out of this system, likely a couple inches. So as we go kind of in the next couple of hours, we'll start to see some of that snow begin to build in, kind of especially along the coastline here. I do think it will kind of go a little bit farther inland than this model is showing here, kind of right to around the Lewiston and I-95 corridor up to Bangor. And then like we mentioned, down East Maine does have the best chance to get the most snow out of this system, especially kind of late tonight into early tomorrow morning. And then Saturday ends up being fairly cold, similar temperature profile to what we're seeing today, very cloudy, and then we'll have these kind of scattered snow showers, especially throughout northern Maine, kind of lingering throughout the entire afternoon. Some of them might escape a little bit farther south too. Most of them, however, will be through areas of northern Maine. And then we start to clear out fairly well for Sunday. However, Sunday will be significantly colder, the coldest day of this stretch. High temperatures, I think, aren't even going to get out of the teens, and low temperatures will some spots will be in the single digits and even below zero. So overall, here's what our snowfall map looks like. So along the immediate coastline is the best chance to get some accumulating snow. Most of us here looking at to about a dusting to maybe about an inch here. And then areas of down East Maine has the best chance of getting some more accumulation, 1 to 3 inches, though I think the farthest spots could even get a little bit more than 3 inches of snow, especially kind of farthest east in Washington County. And then Monday is still going to be a fairly nice day, still fairly cold. And then we have this little clipper system that'll come through Tuesday. So it's going to bring some snow showers kind of Tuesday night into very early Wednesday morning here. So kind of our best chance to see some of that snow will be late afternoon Tuesday as that clipper kind of moves through there. So that's kind of what I was talking about, the best chance of getting a white Christmas if you don't have snow from this system moving through today. And then there's a slight chance of a couple of snow showers possible on Christmas Day, but a little bit less so than Tuesday. Overall, though, resoundingly cold. We start to warm up as we get into next week, but this weekend especially, high temperatures are going to be resoundingly below average. Marine forecast sees 4 to 6 feet. Because around this system it has been pretty windy, there's a gale warning in effect for areas off the coast. So overnight tonight, we'll kind of continue to see that those snow showers move in. They'll start to dissipate a little bit for tomorrow, but some light snow showers and flurries will be hanging around. Also a bit breezy throughout the day Saturday. And then Brian, Sunday is going to be a lot sunnier, but very, very cold. I think it's a good day to kind of break out the mittens, the hats, the scarves, and then a little bit more snow possible for Tuesday of next week.
All of the layers will be needed. It's Sunday, Monday.
Yes, yeah. I think so. Okay. 2 pairs of pants.
Yes, Dana, thank you.